Hello guys, how are you today? Today I'll be reviewing this power bank which I got from AliExpress. I'll show you the characteristics in a bit. So it's pretty much capacity is 3.7 volts. Um, Input is 5 volts and output is 5 volts as well. So let me show you the main part. So pretty much you have you can charge two things at once, and this is the charging cable for the external battery. So pretty much how you turn it on is press this button, and an extra function that is available is that if you press it for a few seconds, it actually turns into a flashlight. It's not a very powerful one, but it's a flashlight nonetheless. Um, Currently, I use this to charge my iPhone 5s and also my um, electronic cigarette, the Vapor for Life Zeus, and it holds pretty much. I can charge both 5 times before the battery runs out. So I'm not sure. Um, so you have to take that into consideration before actually buying it. It's pretty affordable. You can get. I actually got this one for 850 euros. So for me, it was a great price. In Portugal, I can get for that price. I could get one with 10 times less capacity. So I chose to get this one with larger capacity. Um, I hope you enjoyed my quick review. If you did, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.